Hi guys, and welcome back here to Drone Emotion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today my friends, we're back once again with breaking news that just broke out a couple minutes ago, and this is regarding the DJI Air 2S. Guys, the official trailer for the DJI Air 2S has been leaked. All of the drone has been leaked. We have all of the pictures, everything. So this confirms all of the specs, the design, everything is going to be covered in today's video. You don't want to miss out on it, guys. It's going to be extremely exciting, to say the least. But before we get started, if you're new to the channel, welcome here, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because in this channel we'll always be the first ones to bring you the latest drone news. And also, we're getting extremely close to 5,000 subscribers. So guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so you can help us get to that 5,000 subscriber goal, which we're very close from. So guys, with that being said, why don't we go ahead and dive right into today's video, which is going to be extremely exciting. Well guys, just literally a couple minutes ago, I woke up and 5 minutes later I get a notification from Untitled, and I knew this was gonna be big, because when he doesn't post for a long time, we know that his next post will be a bomb. And well, it looks like I was right. I cannot believe what I'm seeing right now, guys. I'm just so excited. And that is because in his Twitter account, just like literally 10 minutes ago, he posted a video. So this is the first thing that he had to say. So it said "so" with a question mark, and then there's a video. And it's not just any video, it's a promotional official video of the DJI Air 2S that was just leaked early. Okay, now if you've been following the channel for a while now and you saw the DJI Mavic Air 2 prototype, well, it looks like we were correct, guys. That was the DJI Air 2S. So without any much further ado, I'm going to go ahead and share the video that Osita LB had for all of us today. So right here on screen. And there we have it, guys. Well, I guess this is some very exciting news, and this is because, well, this will be the official design that this drone will have. So it looks like the design will stay the same as what we find it on the DJI Air 2S, on the DJI Air 2. So, but with the exceptions that we had already known, which are going to be the upward obstacle avoidance, we can confirm that will be happening 100%. Now, the camera is huge. We're getting a 1-inch camera. It looks like the rumors were right, guys. You know, you can always trust in us. We will always be, we will always bring you the information before it actually gets revealed. So we're getting rid of that half-inch sensor that was found on the original Air 2. We now get a 1-inch sensor. We can clearly see that in the video. It says 1 inch. So I think that's great. I couldn't be excited enough, guys. Now we're getting new props. Well, it looks like the ones on the Mavic Air 2 had a white tip. On the ones that we have on the video, they are red. So right here you can clearly see they're white. On the video that we get, they're red. So probably even lower noise propellers. Now we still have backward obstacle avoidance, and it looks like the same of the drone pretty much stays the same, guys. But this is something huge, because we now know the official design that this drone will have. We can clearly see that it says Air 2S. I'm watching it right now. Wow, I think. And also one more thing to note is that we can clearly see ADS-B right here on the right leg of the drone. So this means that all versions of this drone will have ADS-B no matter what, because with the previous Air 2 we did not. Okay, so it looks like the Air 2S is official, guys. Now let's talk about pricing, release date, and what all of you guys want to hear. So release date, we still don't have the confirmed date, but everything is pointing towards April. So guys, we're extremely close to this, and now after seeing this video, we're extremely close to the release date. So we're talking literally a couple of weeks or even days before actually DJI decides to go ahead and release it. Now let's talk about pricing. Now we still don't have the confirmed price, but I will expect to see around a 13% increase in price. So, and this is based on what happened with the Mini 1 and then with the Mini 2, and that's what I'm basing myself on. So if DJI decides to go ahead and do the same thing, well, we're probably going to be talking around $999 for the Air 2S and probably around $1,100 for the Fly More combo. So guys, this is extremely exciting. We finally get to see what the DJI Air 2S is going to be looking like thanks to Osita LB, so we can confirm all of the specs. We still don't have all of them, we're still missing out on flight time. Now keep in mind that the battery size will be the same, so I will expect to see an extremely close flight time to the Mavic Air 2, which is 34 minutes. I will expect probably somewhere between 35 to 36 minutes of flight time. That's what I will expect to see from DJI. Now, as far as lateral optical avoidance is concerned, it looks like that will not be happening. A lot of people were waiting to see if that was going to happen. No, we will not have left or right optical avoidance. So it looks like DJI is going to be leaving that for the Mavic Pro series. So it looks like that will not be happening with the Air 2S. But the biggest thing with this drone, as we had already mentioned, is going to be the camera. That's going to be the biggest change. So 1-inch sensor, that means it's going to be way better than the Mavic 2 Pro camera, or at least as same as good. So that's pretty good, guys. We're getting the 1-inch sensor. I was actually not expecting to see it, but DJI went ahead and gave us that 1-inch sensor. Can you believe it? And especially the price point that the Air 2 is going to be coming out, I think that's just incredible. So that's all that we have in the video. Still just the camera, upward obstacle avoidance, and clearly that's pretty much all of the major changes. We still don't know if DJI is going to be doing some other changes, but something I would expect is OcuSync 3.0. Most likely the Air 2S we have received confirmation that OcuSync 3.0 will be happening. Now, will we get an increase in range? No, it's still going to be the same. Now, it will be a much stronger signal. Now also the B2 goggles are going to be compatible. We have received confirmation of that, so no need to worry about that. And we know that the Air 2 is going to be FPV capable. So I think that's something very exciting to look forward to. Now this drone, for all those wondering, will not be a CE marked drone. So that's that, guys, and I think that's gonna wrap up today's video. I think this is something pretty big. As soon as we have pricing and release it and more new info, we're gonna keep you guys updated, but that's all that we have at the moment. As soon as we have any more new info, we're gonna keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Drone Emotion, signing out.